All right, what's going on, family? Today's the 12th of August, 2024. We're going to talk about this article from Reuters, and it's talking about Elon Musk and how he could be damaging the brand of Tesla because he's so lopsided in his thinking or the actions that he's taking. This is what this article from Reuters is going to talk about. And then we're going to look at the stock chart for Tesla to see what's going on with the price. So before I get started, you guys appreciate my videos and my content, my commentary on the articles that we see and the price prediction that I drop on this channel. Make sure you guys follow me, hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe to get more content. Now, this article just came out today. Musk embraces Trump and scorns subsidies, but Tesla still lobbies for the U.S. benefits. Tesla is an EV car manufacturer. It makes electric vehicles. That's his main job. That's his function. With Elon Musk at the helm, he's the CEO. Is he not supposed to do those things that are in the interest of Tesla? So why is he embracing Trump? Why is he campaigning for Trump? Has he not seen none of the content that Donald has said for electric vehicles? Let's break this down. While Elon Musk endorsed Donald Trump for president last month, the Tesla founder and chief executive backed a candidate, talking about Donald, who vows to, quote, drill, baby, drill. That is in direct contradiction to EV vehicles. Because in order to drill, you're talking about gas. You're talking about combustible engines, the type of cars that are already on the roads today. That is not where Elon and Tesla main source of income is coming from. They are in the electric vehicle space. But Trump, the person that Elon endorsed, is not looking to pursue further the advancement of EV vehicles. Trump also vowed, as the article goes on to say right here, to end the electric vehicle mandate. That again goes against the Tesla car manufacturer. You know, the one that Elon is supposed to be trying to do in the best interest, trying to make sure that it's on the right track to continue to grow. Well, Donald wants to end the mandate though, and reduce subsidies of the sort that helped Tesla become the U.S. dominant EV manufacturer. This is what the endorsed candidate Elon Musk is trying to do. He is going to hurt Elon's business. Does he not realize that? What is wrong with Elon? Elon is going to damage the brand of Tesla by him backing and endorsing Trump. Does he not see that? Is he so convoluted in his thinking? Does he have too much going on in the world that he's not seeing straight? That he's not thinking straight? The man that you want to sit in the seat is telling you that he wants to drill more oil, is telling you that he wants to end the electric vehicle mandate, and he also wants to reduce the subsidies that brought Tesla to the point to where it is today. Now make it make sense. Why would you want to have somebody operate a business as the chief executive officer and he is endorsing someone that is going directly against what he stands for or what Tesla should be standing for? Make it make sense. So instrumental have government loans, tax breaks, and other EV policies been to Tesla's fast growth that despite Musk's gradual embrace of the former president and his Republican Party rhetoric in recent years, the company continues to lobby the U.S. and state governments for benefits championed by the Democratic Party. The Reuters, man, they really going in on Elon on this. Yeah, they're going in on Tesla and Elon. How in the world are you going to endorse a party that is trying to offset and kill a lot of the things that came and brought you to your point today? And then at the same time, you're still trying to get the benefits that the Democratic Party has championed to make you prominent, make you dominant in the United States. Tesla and Elon I don't know if there's some confusion going on within Tesla, within the higher level ups and Elon, because somebody somewhere within Tesla's board is like, look, yeah, I know Elon is talking crazy right now. I know he's tweeting out a lot of crazy stuff, but we still need these subsidies. Yeah, we still need to lobby the U.S. government, because without these subsidies, without the money that the government is throwing at us, we would have already been bankrupt, because we're not selling vehicles like we want to, like we ought to sustain ourselves. So I think Elon may be on an island by himself, and then the other board members, the ones who sit high executive level positions, they're the one who's actually pushing the government. Hey, yeah, can I get that subsidy? They're actually in the board meetings with the state governments and say, yeah, we could can we get that subsidy there too? Yeah, can I get a tax break? Because what do you think Tesla is going to do if Donald becomes president in 2025? And then Donald begins to end the mandate. He stops the tax breaks for EV vehicles, and he begins to focus on drilling for gas, for oil. But then you have to go back and look at these articles from Reuters and many other people and say, look at this man right here. Yeah, this man right here endorsed the guy that got rid of our subsidies, the guy that got rid of our tax breaks, the guy that got rid of the EV vehicle mandate, EV mandate. This is the one right there. Yeah, look at him. He's the one that endorsed the guy that is hurting your business. Make it make sense. So hopefully, we'll see how this plays out. In February, for instance, Tesla, in a filing with the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, urged the Biden administration to allow California to pursue stricter vehicle emissions rules than the rest of the country, an idea that Donald opposes. Months earlier, in a previous filing with the agency, Tesla lobbied the government for regulations that would ban the production of most new gasoline cars by 2035, the so-called EV mandate that Trump and others on the American right have criticized. But Tesla is lobbying the government for regulations that would stop that production of most new gasoline cars by 2035. Trump don't want that. The disparity is hardly the first time that the billionaire entrepreneur, himself increasingly dismissive of subsidies, has sent mixed signals on business and politics. How can you work for somebody like that? To where he flip-flops. You don't know what's going to come out next. He's a loose cannon. It has no direction. He's not focused. Quote, Elon tends to say he's hostile to subsidies while Tesla is gobbling them up like a hungry Godzilla. This is what Mike Murphy, a Republican strategist who runs the EV Politics Project, a Los Angeles-based advocacy group that seeks bipartisan support for electric vehicles. Yeah, he's trying to say that Elon is talking out of his mouth. He says one thing, he said he's against subsidies, but Tesla is over here gobbling them up. People familiar with Musk's management at the car maker told Reuters his approach to subsidies is pragmatic, a willingness to accept public money if it's there for the taking. I mean, you can't fault him for that. Nobody can fault anybody for taking money that's up for grabs for free. Musk's willingness to overlook outright Republican opposition to an industry he helped pioneer, meanwhile, signals a broader focus on goals that may not dovetail with the immediate interests of his business or his businesses. Yeah, Elon is all over the place. He has Twitter, he has Tesla, he has robo-taxis, he has the artificial intelligence company he's trying to create, he has that robo-bot. All this stuff he's trying to operate and run. Quote, Tesla is not the end game for him, said Andrew Ward, a management professor at Lehigh University, noting Musk holdings in sectors ranging from artificial intelligence to, SpaceX, to space exploration to neuroscience. Musk could, quote, sacrifice some of the short-term interest in Tesla, Ward added, if it'll satisfy the long-term interests of his ambitions. What in the world can that be? It might be to occupy Mars. Yeah, it'd be great to see those people go up to Mars and leave everyone else on Earth alone. Maybe that's his ambition, to go and colonize Mars. Musk and Tesla didn't respond to requests from Reuters for comment. I wonder why. A spokesman for Trump didn't respond either. I wonder why. A White House spokesman declined to comment. I wonder why. Because when you start and inquire and ask questions from the people that you want information from, you get a little bit more details. So rather than them giving more information regarding to Elon and his endorsement of Donald and the other subsidies that they're gobbling up right now from the Democratic Party, they'll get more details as to what's really going on with this. So pay attention. Could he hurt Tesla's brand? Because you can't be upset. All right. Don't be mad. Don't get upset when Tesla stock collapses and Elon has to go out and get more funding to keep the business afloat. If Donald Trump gets in the seat and he begins to cut tax breaks, stop tax subsidies, get rid of the EV mandate, that's going to hurt Tesla. You can't say nothing because this man, who is the chief executive officer, endorsed him. You've been warned. So looking at the price for Tesla stock, here it is right here. All right. We talked about Tesla on the 24th of July. Look for the price to go down. It did hit an ultimate TP spot, on the 5th of August, 13.71% there. So we could cut that out the way. So overall, real quick, I really don't see Tesla as being bullish. If anything, hopefully this stock can continue to trade range bound. But if Elon continues to tweet out crazy tweets, continue to say stupid things, this may inevitably impact the stock progression to go down. And especially if they cannot sell more vehicles, it's really going to hurt the business. Okay, so what we're going to do, I don't see a lot of strength on the chart yet. So I think we may come back down and test this buy zone here around 170. It may even come down to 140 because you really don't see a lot of the hype coming into Tesla right now. So what we're going to do, we're just going to play some slight weakness again in Tesla, not a lot. But let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we just pretty much do it like that. I like how the chart just actually dropped that prediction like that on the 2-day chart. Let me put on the 1 day. And we can do it like that. All right, so let's just see. We're going to create another sell zone into the market for Tesla though. So we'll do it like that. That's not going to be our new sell zone here, meaning that we're going to expect some weakness as long as Tesla's price trades below that range. And our first target is going to be around this low that occurred on August the 5th, which is $182. That will be our first target, which is around 7.25. Then our second target would be down here at our first buy zone. And we'll hold it like that. That's it. I'm done. You guys are up next. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.